Okay. Hey, that's nasty. Hey man, say man, I ain't see y'all in a minute, man. What the fuck going on, man? Shit, real shit though. Shit. Hey. I miss the family, man. Hey. Ugly as fuck. No, I'm joking. Him. You don't even get no camera time.
Man, you tuned in live, man. Hey, bring it down, t-shirt. Bring it down. Bring it down. You know what I'm saying? I'm a CEO. You heard about it? Money, Russell.
Them though. Rapunzel. Mike. Black bitch, I know you. What's going on, Mike? Yeah. Look, long face, long mid Chanel. Oh, glad you big too bad. Hey, Chanel. Hey, you got the nerve to call a motherfucker ugly, girl. What up, he ain't nothing, boys. Barely got an ass, but it wobble when you touch it. Danger. Then we gonna do it for the team. How many computers you had? You like about 4. Yeah. Right. Hold on, what you looking at like that? Is it even recording?
I don't know. Why does it look like that? Yeah. What kind of phone do you have? It's got.
I got a 7. See ya.
Look what the team doing outside, man. I'm out here. Look at them. They leapfrog. Don't. I ain't never seen no team go out and play leapfrog, bro. Lionel can't throw. Yo, they over there. Hey, how you play leapfrog? I don't know how to do it. The next day.
Man, y'all gonna add me on some Trez Ball, you know the spot.
Don't freak out, man.
What up? Shit, you already know. Hey, look for the Colonels, man. You feel me? Especially on the court. Banged on to get everybody spurring none. Explain it now.
No.
Now you said you want to be on the camera.
Okay,
Now
no,
go ahead and explain it.
You're his brother, so you kind of look up to him, which makes you influence on him. Y'all are bad influence.
That's not me though. That's not me.
It's 2 whole different people.
Yeah.
Subscribe to him, man. He got it.
Yeah, sir. In the Yoda. What it do, Jeezy? What up with you, man? You can't see me through the tent. Don't worry about it, Jeezy. Yes, sir. It's the end of the day, though. Got the arm out. I heard. Got the arm at my sling, though. You see the LED on the feet, man. LEDs out here, baby. Green, blue. Got it, everything. Ooh. Alright, man. Y'all see me. Got to go in here. Get this little practice it. Lock Yoda up real quick. Hit the little bink, you know what I'm saying? Let you know she ready, you know what I'm saying? Hit it one more time for good luck. Got to walk up in here, yes sir. We out here in this little parking lot, anything like that. At the end of the park, oh, look at the little silver Miata, okay. Look, you know, coming in the back of the truck over there. That silver Miata ain't no joke out here, baby. Yeah, hit that mug. Show them what you got. Okay, G. Freddie about to fall out the back of this mug. What he do, man? Hey, he should have known not to put himself back in that little situation, though. You know what I'm saying? Last time he went in something like that, the mug almost flipped. He too big to be riding in the back of the mug. Got the trash can on the door type stuff. Did the drip? You got the drip? Okay. Them ain't practice shoes, man. Oh, man. They got y'all practicing in here, man?
Yeah.
Man, it's crazy. I'm leaving early.
Oh, yeah, I'm leaving with you.
Get me. Y'all ready to leave with me. Lil Ray, man, what it up, man?
Doing that bird.
Yeah.
Hey, mama, you see this? This no I love you.
Oh, yeah.
I feel like joy. Oh my
Snap. The whole thing shaking. It's shaking. Oh, I done heard some stuff about this dude right here getting snagged on, man. What's
Snagged
wrong
on?
with
I ain't
you,
got
man?
snagged on.
KT. He just said you ain't snagged on him.
No, that was from Mario. It was him too.
It's over. It's over.
He put his bobble.
I wasn't ready. Hold on.
Time out.
I catch a pass off Lionel back yesterday at practice. You got snagged on.
It was off his spinal cord.
You got snagged on.
No, he didn't snag me, bro.
He cut a ball off your spinal cord, bro.
That was from Marion, bro. He did not snag.
That was you. You get.
That was from Marion. That wasn't me.
No, he caught one off of Marion head. He caught that one off of. Yeah.
No, he didn't. It was
I already talked to Marion about that Ricky. But anyway, you and Marion are two people. Y'all might be the two hardest people on the team to get confused. It's like getting Blake Griffin and Chris Rock mixed up. It don't happen.
Getting me and Jackson confused.
Yeah, it don't happen.
Still smacking boards.
Get up there.
And I'm still smacking boards.
Right now.
Get up
I
there.
said board, bro. I can't touch the rim. You trying to make me lose everything. Grab nets and all that, bro. See that? What's that about? 20, 30 inches difference.
Yeah.
Between me and the net, me and the backboard.
Okay. Take the keys out the pocket. Okay. You got to swipe the other foot. You only swipe one.
The rubber part, baby.
Yeah.
Backboard, that ain't nothing.
You got the backboard with ease.
Ease, bro.
Ease. Okay.
What do y'all want, baby?
He barely made it.
3 fingers on it.
You got 3 fingers on him.
I had the right shoes on, boy.
I'm dead. You about to collapse.
They sleeping on me.
Oh yeah, get up there, Al. Big Al. Get up there, big Al. Yeah, put the helmet down. Don't trip over it, though. You take up the whole free throw lane trying to go up there, man. Look at him. 3/4 of it gone.
Before you do this,
Okay.
before you do this, I just want to say, God put you in this world because you know, bless you. And if you take it out, Lord knows what's gonna happen.
Hey, you need ankle support. You ain't got no ankle support. I got Jordans on. Lines, yeah, get your lines, man. What y'all doing? Get y'all lines, man. Dante, tell them get in the line. Get that game line.
Hey, I kind of wrecked your car a little bit.
I'm gonna do a little video on that move versus that move.
Go.
Yeah.
Show me something, Jojo. Show me something, Jojo. Show me something.
We're gonna do this big round. Big round. That's it. Hey, big round versus, you know what I'm saying?
Nah, you walk.
GMC, huh? Oh no. Hey, Brennan, is your truck better?
He's just done more to it, but
Nah,
I like
he winning.
mine.
He got
He
lights
winning?
on the inside.
I have
Oh, show him. You gotta show it, Cam.
His dad's better than yours.
Oh.
Okay, he's like an only child, and I'm the oldest of 10.
Bro, this is your second vehicle in high school career.
First one was given.
No. This is your second vehicle of your high school career. Well, you bought this, Brennan?
Yes, I bought this.
Oh, okay. I respect that. Let me come check it out, man. Got the big pipes coming out the back of it, though. Dang. What the inside look like? Okay.
I got new ones at the house. I just gotta put them in this weekend.
Whoa.
I love daddy.
Okay. Big pipes. Start that up. Let me hear. Ooh, I like them headlights, them LED headlights right there. Hey, there goes Sicko. There goes Sicko. I like how high this mug is too. Oh yeah, he do got the LEDs, man. Everybody got LEDs. Okay, you got the same ones as me. Huh? You got the same ones that go in there. Yeah, I got those in my car. Yeah, they go cold. He making noise. Hey, make noise with yours. Hey, that's nasty. Oh, hey, future video coming soon. That mug right there. Yeah.
All right, bro. I'll catch you later.
Yes, sir. Hey, I wouldn't even say you can't really hear yours when you started up. You got LED lights in there? Come on, man. You slacking. What the LED? Everybody else got LED. Oh, he got the push start though. Ooh, with the little thing to stick up right there.
Hey, I got you here. Go out there and listen.
Okay. Let's see what it sound like. Hey, that sound like that low key sound like a sports car type stuff, bro. I feel that. Hey. Oh, you got a sport button on there?
Here we go.
Okay.
Look.
Oh yeah, where it tell you that's in sport mode at?
Yeah. Go and drive.
Put up.
Sport.
Okay, RJ, I feel you, man. Hey, you can do something with this car, man. No, we about to hop in the Yoda, though. I gotta pick somebody up. My car ain't sounding nothing like that, but I'm gonna put some pipes on it, you know what I'm saying? A big muffler or something like that on the Yoda bed. Hold on, let's start it up from the key, though. The key 5. Don't mess with this, though. This all this headphone stuff in my car. Hey, my car. Put on my key 5. Let's start this mother up like this. You hit that 1, then 2, then 3, then the light come on, and you say Yoda start up, and that mug go like this. It ain't nothing too big, but it's something, you know what I'm saying, something so you don't have to get out the house in the middle of the rain or something like this in the cold and do that. You see the black window tint, can't see through there like that real much, but hey. Got the LEDs on the inside, you already know what it go through, man. Got the little thing, the little trunk thing. I'm gonna do a little review on this mug soon to come. Sport button right there, that's my favorite button of the car, you know what I'm saying. Got the stereo, touchscreen type move, cause we don't play around out here, man. Got the little, that's where I'll hold my camera up and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying, don't worry about the back, I got stuff in the back, don't worry about that, put the backpack, the 2, the 3, you know what I'm saying, $130 backpack, hold on, can't be having that there. You know what I'm saying, my car gotta be clean, though. You see the clean? You see the mean clean green machine? Hey, man, it don't sound nothing like what my gas pedal at, man, that little bitty gas pedal. Like, you know what I'm saying? No, it sounds something, but you know what I'm saying? But it ain't no big V8 maintenance needing. Don't worry about that, you know what I'm saying? That's just the oil change stuff. But reason I decided to get this car is because I want to do something to it. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to turn this into a rally. I wanted a 4-cylinder car. A lot of people be like, man, why didn't you get a 6-cylinder? I wanted a 4-cylinder because I like the way they rev out. 4-cylinders rev out like crazy. So I'm probably going to have to put a new block and stuff like that. But I like how the 4-cylinders rev out. I feel like a rally car, if your rally car doesn't rev out to where it's like popping like da 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 every time you shift, I don't feel like it's a true rally car. So you can't really have a rally car that's like a Dodge Charger or something like that because, you know, Chargers aren't a typical rally car. So I wanted a 4-cylinder, but I want something that was smooth. I knew I wasn't gonna have the money off top to like change the stuff right there, so I wanted something that was a little fast, not too fast. I didn't want something that was like a highway pull type stuff where you like hit it and you going like 120 on the highway or something like that. I didn't want nothing like that. I wanted something around the town that can kick it around the town, around corners like that. And this was the perfect car for that type of stuff, you know what I'm saying? And it looked cool. I mean, it's a nice inside, nice interior looking car. It looks like a little rally sport car. So I wanted a rally car. I wanted a 4-cylinder rally car so I can put 2 twin turbos, well, probably a single turbo on it, and then you know, do the exhaust system, stuff like that, headers, pulleys, all the other stuff on it. And then so I can make this a complete and utter rally car. So I can put a wing on the back. The backup is gonna have a wing on it. I'm probably gonna end up changing the color, put some different wheels and stuff on there and do stuff like that. But anyways, that's the reason why I ended up getting this car instead of something like a, you know, let's see, something like an Altima or something like that, because yeah, Altimas are fast. Altimas are crazy fast, actually. I've ridden in an Altima before and we planted that mug. I ain't gonna say nothing more, nothing less than that, but that mug is actually really fast. That's why I didn't want to get a truck. Well, actually at first I did want to get a truck, but there wasn't no trucks on the market as I was going through trying to get trucks and stuff like that. So that's exactly what was going on. But yeah, he watching me do my little thing, but that's exactly why I got this car and why I didn't really get a truck or something like that. But yeah, just for the people that have been wanting to know how I ended up with this car. And like they say, man, every great thing has to come to an end, and yes, that includes this video. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe down at the bottom, you know what I'm saying? Hit that little bell so you get notified whenever I post something. I'm kinda in the bathroom, so I'm trying to be low-key. My family out there watching TV, so you know what I'm saying? They ain't really adjusted to the camera life like I have. But anyways, yeah, no, that's the end of this video, man. Still, I swear Cam has the loudest truck in the South, bro. Like, it's crazy. Not the loudest truck, but the loudest GMC in the South, bro. Like, real talk, his truck is dope. And he's actually saying he's gonna want to sell it for something else here in a minute. So I keep y'all guys updated and post y'all on that truck, 'cause that truck is sick. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But anyways, man, like I said, it's the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe, get the notification squad up. Let's get to 200 subs, baby. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Yes, sir.